Hello everyone, it's your girl Linda Tony. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to post Reel. Reel are 60-second videos. This means that it shouldn't be more than 1 minute. I'm going to show you how to post Reels on this video. And another information here is, if you are a new content creator or you have not been posting for a very long time on your page and you decide to revive your page back, I would suggest to you, I would advise you to start with Reels. This is because Reels will help to unlock your star even before the Facebook partnership monetization comes. So let's dive into the video for today.
So this is my Facebook profile now. So you click on menu. Once you click on menu, it will then take you to your profile page. Then you will see where the roads ring and live. You click on ring. So right now I'm going to upload one of my video that is not more than 60 seconds. So this is the video now I want to upload. So now this is how it will look like once you upload it. Then you can now choose music. That's if you don't have music, you can click on that audio sign there and Facebook will show you options of music to use on your video. So please, before you use this music, like I said before, please check if this music are free or if they are having copyright infringement, so that Facebook will flag your page for music or infringe for music copyright. Hey Jesus, what am I saying? For music copyright. So you can increase the audio, you can add music, and you can also do voiceover just like this place. You understand? So you just do what you can do here. Then after this, so the next step here, you add your caption, which is your text. You click on that text there, then you write whatever you want to write, but make sure you're writing something that is very captivating, that will make people to click on your reels and watch. Hey God, what's wrong with my tongue? So that's just that. Then you can just click on that alphabet there to add the background of this for your text. Add background to your text. So just do what pleases you. Then you can also change your fonts down here, as you can see the way I'm doing on this video. So that's just basically how you can prepare your reel. Then you cannot drag that your caption now, but make sure that you follow through this line margin Facebook are showing you. Did you see this 4 corner that is here? This will show you that if you exceed this place, you are going out of the particular size you're supposed to post your reel. That's what they're trying to tell you here. So the next thing we are going to do here now, you can add effects, like just play around. If you try all the effects, oh, this one is very fine. Lord, I've used this thing on this video. I know this one is up the child. No. So you can just add different effects you get, right? Just do things like play around it. But let me not lie, I don't use all this effect. The only thing I use here is audio. I hardly use their audio. Let me just say the truth, I hardly use the audio, but I use the text. Yeah. Then now I'm going to write the title to my reel. Make sure you write your title, a very captivating one at that. Then another important thing here is to use your hashtag. While you are using hashtag, even if you are going to use a popular hashtag like FYP and Go Viral, Reel, Facebook Reel at that, make sure you use at least put like 2 of the two word that concerns what your video is all about. For example, now how I'm making a video on how to create Facebook Reel, I can also put hashtag how to create Facebook Reel, so that in case anybody search for how to create Facebook Reel, this my hashtag will drag it will reflect. It will also be able, the person will be able to see my own video because of the hashtag I use. Sure you get. So now another one here is pull. This pull, now you can also use your reel video to make pull. You understand? Like for example, now you want to give a suggestion on something, then you can just tell your people this A or B. That is what this pull is all about. Then after that, any other thing you check then, or if nothing else to do, you can post or share your reels. So this is all for today. If you found this video helpful, Please don't forget to follow, like and share. Thank you as you do so. Bye.